Caesar.
Caesar.
Okay, my Caesar.
It's the audience you're going to be telling now.
Okay, my Caesar. Julius Augustus Romanus Caesar.
Man, pass a no way.
Hi Chima, before we go into Caesar, you know, which is like your most recent single, you know, hi Chima, like, you know, if I ain't make it out, or has this always been it? You know, has this always been what you wanted to do? Like, for how long has this been your passion, your dream, if you man?
Anytime I do music, I just smile now. I don't feel sing the frown my face. You get
Or even at Badoo down, it makes you happy, yeah?
Makes me happy.
And it's been like that all your life?
It's been like that all my life.
So how long have you been doing it professionally?
Professionally since 2016. 2016. At 2016, I started. 2016 itself, I did song with Olamide.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Oh, one producer like that. And I won't speak out for you, but not happen. You teach me how to go. Oh, one producer.
Okay.
Oh, producer. I'll make it one beat underground. Usually forget the beat. DJ put it on repeat. So that song.
I'm gonna make wow now. Oh, give me the
down like a chopper. Yeah, that's me now.
Wow.
At that time, I was just starting music. I didn't know left and right.
Wow.
Now the producer won't carry and go meet Olamide. Won't work Olamide. When you can't hear the thing, say this thing. What the mouth? I speak on.
Yes.
What the mouth? Akuchi. That time I was in Owerri. The name of producer then HOD. HOD on my phone.
Okay, HOD.
Yes. Yeah. She on her phone. Same. Akuchi. Olamide na akpọ ga say Olamide who? So Olamide na akpọ.
Olamide Badoo.
I said I forgot that. You know, but that is how my music journey started.
And it actually started on a high note. Imagine starting your career with Olamide. I mean, that's great.
That's great.
That's
a blessing.
I mean, you were always destined for greatness. And of course, you're on your way there because right now, Caesar is out. Yeah. Fantastic song. The energy is great. But like I said, before we talk about Caesar, like particularly, I also want to know, in my ear, now Nigeria, but you know, it's mostly Afro beats. You know, maybe high life, maybe R&B. A lot of people do not lean to hip hop. The hip hop culture, in Nigeria, you know, all the bago very strong kita man. Odro as mainstream as Afrobeat. And I bet check because this also hip hop you know, in a drill, basically drill trap kind of vibe. You know, that's, you know, if you want to narrow it down to what you do. Why did you throw that part? A lot of people want to go into the industry and make it. So they try to do Ifo Buna game Kaha blew up, you know. So why did you stick to that, you know, genre?
Anything person want to do, you go use two things to am. You must observe two things. Number one, psychology of the person.
Okay.
And number two, what I will say is what I feel your purpose is in line with your psychology. Let me break it down for you. I'm Igbo. My dad is Bini. I grew up in Warri. Sorry, my mom is Bini.
Yeah.
I grew up in Warri.
Okay.
I schooled in Ogun State at a point. I've always been out of place.
Your experiences are just...
Do you understand?
Different, yeah.
So psychologically, I've always empathized with the outsider. In music, I think I can do whatever I want musically. If you go to my catalog, for me, it speaks for itself.
Okay.
The day I want to make, I've made a highlight song. I've made different kinds of music, but I empathize with the outsider because I've been an outsider in different situations, one way or the other. I'm Igbo, but I can't really speak Igbo. So, if you tell me that, putting that psychology in mind, I know my biggest passion in this world because I'm very interested in the history of Nigeria, you know, and Igbos generally. There are a lot of people outside Nigeria that are doing marvelously well, but they don't feel at home. If there's one thing, Voice of the East, that we're here to say, or I want to tell the Easterners, of one thing is, the Easterners that are not living here, that don't even know how to speak your language, my brother, one love everybody. Do you understand? Don't make anybody feel alienated. So
Okay.
I will do the music that the outsiders are doing. I also do the music that the insiders are doing. I'll do anything I want to do. Across the board. Everywhere on the chessboard, I'll put my piece.
I like the confidence. You can do anything.
Anything I want to do.
It shows how very talented you are. And which takes us to Caesar right now. Caesar, how's it coming up? What do you feel like the reception is for Caesar right now?
The reception for Caesar, and I want to give you the political answer. I want to give you the real answer.
The real answer, it's as real as you can get.
Let me tell you the real answer.
What do you
The real
think?
answer is I dropped Caesar. The song I dropped before Caesar, is still outstreaming Caesar.
Okay.
But at
That's no games. Yeah.
That's no games.
Yeah.
But at the same time, there is a certain reach that I've gotten from Caesar that no games didn't give me. It's a very funny thing, but the song is just a week or 2 weeks old now, so I'm still watching. No, baby, we just the dog boy never start to work out well. You know? Go watch them as they work out. Watch them as they work out.
Beautiful. And there's something I want to. Onye trap na Caesar, you know, the accent DJ me. The chakwana inaso in that American accent. Man, you're a proper Nigerian man.
Yes,
Okay. Man, Chima, what do you think about the entertainment industry? Na Alibo, about what do you think, you know, from your own view?
You see, in every culture, when it comes to do music, there's always an epicenter. I discovered last year, I think I was telling somebody, Enugu is the mecca of Igbo music. At least modern day Igbo music. That's what I feel.
I actually think it's not just music, sir. Basically everything entertainment.
Entertainment.
Yes.
For meals. There's a reason why.
I share the same opinion. Okay.
You see. God bless you. You're doing well. So you get why. I don't know why. I don't know why. But just I be. So it don't be like that. Enugu, how do I say? Teach me this Igbo.
What do you want to say? I don't know what you want to say.
Enugu be the
Ebi fene.
I heard it happen.
Sure.
So the way I see it, Igbo music is going to transcend the way it go. And Igbo musicians and Igbo everything, the guy they go. There's one ingredient personally I feel like we need to add.
Okay. What's
generally?
Okay.
Is inclusion.
Inclusion. Okay.
Inclusion.
Talking about inclusion, you're going to be performing at Jerry Code.
Yes.
Yeah, you're going to be performing at Jerry Code. What does that feel? Is that your first time?
Yes.
It's your first time performing, you know, in an event like that?
First time performing at Jerry's concert #1 in Anambra #2.
In Enugu.
Sorry.
Okay, Anambra
is the Anambra one. By the grace of God, I'll be in the Enugu one.
Yeah.
But honestly, that's the biggest crowd I've performed in front of.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure you're going to kill
30,000
it.
people.
I'm pretty sure you're going to kill it because first of all, Caesar is bopping and performing it to that crowd. I'm very sure you're going to.
Hands up in the air.
Yeah, sure thing. You're going to. And okay, before we go, I want to know: are there artists from Ali Boeba I like you work with?
Everyone.
Everybody. Man, I just mentioned
Jerry.
Yeah.
#1.
Okay.
Immobilible.
Okay.
I want to work with Slow Dog.
Slow Diggy. Wow.
I want to work with. I have a couple songs as well.
Oh, great.
I'll come out crazy.
They are not out yet?
One is out.
No, okay.
One is out. The name of that one is on there.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But that one that's coming, Jesus.
We can't wait. Which brings me to the final question, which is actually also related to this. What are we expecting from Akuchi, you know, in the coming months, in the coming, you know, in fact, what are we expecting? On we the in store, on we finish, on we going, you know.
To be honest, you know I'm a very out there CB. The only thing I'm expecting is that you're not going to see me.
You'll be all up in our face.
You're not going to see me.
So you're not maybe working towards a project or something.
I say you're not going to see me. You're going to see me for projects.
Is this a codified answer?
You go see me for different things. You could just see me.
Oh, you got a movie, sir.
I'm telling you.
Good to have you here, my brother.
Good to be here,
Akuchi, thank you so much for coming. And we're looking forward to great things from you and with you. Yeah, thank you so much. GCK now. So yeah, that's that for the Eastside Music Show. Unumakai siye me afam kabusumto coordinate.